Anaya had a special fondness for experimenting with traditional recipes passed down through generations. One day, as the sun dipped below the horizon, casting a warm golden glow over the village, Anaya decided to add her own twist to the classic gavar dhokli recipe. Intrigued by the challenge, she gathered the freshest cluster beans, ground the finest wheat flour, and began her culinary adventure. With a sprinkle of creativity and a dash of family secrets, Anaya transformed the humble gavar dhokli into a culinary masterpiece. Her secret ingredient? A pinch of love and a generous helping of nostalgia. As the enticing aroma of her creation wafted through the village, curious neighbors gathered at Anaya's doorstep. With smiles on their faces and anticipation in their hearts, they savored the innovative twist to the traditional dish. Anaya's gavar dhokli recipe became a symbol of unity and innovation, reminding the villagers that traditions could be cherished while embracing the beauty of change. The recipe, now passed down to future generations, became a timeless tale of a village's culinary evolution, all sparked by one woman's passion. Tradition meets innovation. Anaya's gavar dhokli recipe has become a culinary sensation. Share the love and flavor by inviting friends and family to try this delightful twist on a classic dish. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to spread the joy of cooking.